Okay, 8.4. Lion Limited purchases equipment on the 1st of January 2016. I always highlight my dates at a cost of $180,000 because dates are always important in these calculations. It has an estimated useful life of 8 years and a residual value of $20,000. Each year $1,000 is spent on maintenance of the equipment, and on the 1st of July 2018, Lion paid $8,800 cash for a major overhaul of the equipment, which is expected to have 5 more years of useful life and a nil residual value. The entity's reporting period is the 30th of June, and it uses straight line depreciation. Now this is just a question to see if you can do a revaluation, because my revaluation numbers are over here, and do some depreciation calculations prior to the revaluation and post the revaluation. So it says calculate the depreciation expense for 2016-2017. Now because my 2016 starts in January, I'm only going to be looking for 6 months because it's telling me that the 30th of June is my date. So, and we're using straight line depreciation. So my straight line depreciation is my cost minus the residual divided by the life of the asset, which equals my cost is $180,000 and my residual is estimated to be 20, and the life of the asset is 8 years, so it's divided by 8. So that gives me $20,000 per annum. But it's asking me for 2015, which is not a full year. Now my 2016, sorry. This is not a full year. 2016, I'm looking at 6 months. So 6/12 times 20,000 equals $10,000. And 2016 will be the full 12 months, so that is the $20,000 that we calculated prior. Okay, oops, sorry, I've ticked off the wrong one. Now it says prepare the journal entry for the $8,800 paid for the overhaul of the equipment, assuming no GST and a GST of 10%. Well, if there was a GST of 10%, we're just going to recognise the GST, which is $800. So I'm just going to go with this one here, no GST. So my journal entry will be equipment, which will be the debit of $8,800, and cash, which is $8,800. Now, it says calculate the depreciation for the expense over that period. Now because we're in prepare the journal entry, it says on the 1st of July 2018 there's an extra depreciation amount in there. So my depreciation, so my cost to my asset was $180,000, and I've had depreciation for 2015, 2016, but there's a 2017 in there as well, so it's a full year because we'll get back to the 1st of July 2018. So I'm going to have that less $10,000 plus $20,000 for 2017 plus $20,000 for 2018 equals $130,000. So I'm adding my $8,800 to my $130,000 to do this final depreciation calculation for 2019. So I have a cost now. So my calculation is that, where is it? It'll have a useful life of 5 more years and a nil residual value. So my cost minus residual divided by the life equals 138,800 divided by, or minus 0, divided by 5, and that equals, where are we? 138,800 minus 0 divided by 5 is 27,760. and that's my depreciation for 2019.